Hello everyone, welcome back. I have more fun index card projects for you. This is going to be hidden clips. I was totally inspired by Pinterest on this, but I kind of have my own twist to them. So I thought it was amazing because you guys loved the index cards. So why not make some hidden clips with them, like paper clips, right? They come out gorgeous, and you don't have to just use index cards. You can use regular scrapbook paper, but this is just like an easier method, I feel like, to do this. And you can see like this one here, I'm actually using project cards, scrap or extras. This one you can see I'm using index cards and just another piece of scrapbook paper. So you'll just kind of see how I do it. And I actually have a video coming after this. That's another hidden clip that's really cool to do. So I'm just going to grab an index card here. Let's start with this one because I feel like this one's pretty easy here, and you can kind of see what's going on here. So for this one, I'm just going to go ahead and fold it. I'm going to do like 3 different ways with you guys so you can kind of get some fun ideas. We can corner round it or just leave it. I'm going to just round off the bottom just because I like the way it looks. Okay, and then here, let me write this down. I'm gonna shave off, I'm gonna make it like a 2-inch right here. So I'm gonna shave off 2 inches and make it 2 inches right here on another index card. And you don't have to do this, but I'm just gonna kind of just notch off maybe like 1 inch right here. Sorry, I gotta get all this scrap out of my way. So we have this like little piece right here, and I'm going to just go ahead and kind of notch that off. So this is going to be pretty simple. Now I'm going to take my paper clip right here, and this is going to be too easy, you guys. I'm literally just going to cover it. And that's it. So this is just one way. There's obviously quite a few ways you could do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of go all the way around and just do it like that. And pop that on and then fold it back. So then after you do it, you're going to have this right here. And that's going to be your hidden clip right there. So basically all you're doing is decorating it. Now you can do this, and you can, instead of adding the index cards, you could do just the scrapbook paper. But if you want it to be kind of inexpensive and, you know, easy, then grab some of your stamping things and just kind of like, this is what I did with this one. I'm just going to stamp it up just a little bit. That was the back. And you can see I added the glitter strip, and I feel like that really made it really kind of pop up a little bit. But nobody's gonna know this is an index card, just like our other ones. And again, if you don't want to use index cards, you could use like scrap papers that you have. But of course, I'm going to take some of my, this is my washi tape actually, not my pet tape. And I'm going to pop that on here because I like the way it looked. Let me see here, which way do I want it? Oop, I think that's upside down, so I guess I am going to have to do it this way. And I'm going to probably just go like this. I should have put it a little lower. But just to fill it in, I am going to go like this because I want it to really be filled up. I don't want it to look like an index card or white. And I'm going to, of course, add the little glitter on the bottom. I'm going to use the red line tape again because it's already got tons of glitter on it. So I'm going to pop that on the bottom right here. There's just crazy amount of ways you can do this. So when I do my next video, I'm going to show you how to kind of do like this layered look with them. And I'm going to be using my Rosie's paper because I wanted to find a really cool project to show off those papers. So, all right, and I'm just gonna pop on my glitter again. I'm using that solar gold color. But how gorgeous is this? So, I mean, that's pretty much what I did for that. And if you got this in the mail, would you know that that's an index card? Probably not. And even if you're like really feeling ambitious, you could even laminate these and like sew it, or, you know, whatever, just to make it a little bit more stable or solid. Actually, I don't know how that would work if you sewed, because you wouldn't want to cover your clip. So I guess you could laminate this part. It would have to be a pretty solid glue. Okay, so let me show you how I did the others, or just the other one. And basically, I'm doing the same thing. I'm gonna just grab that. And this goes perfect for your project cards. So you can find, I'm just kind of, this is older, looking for something in here. Trying to find that one. Let's check this one. There are pretty ones, but I had my mind set on this one. You guys are probably like, just pick one. I think it was the Christmas. I saw a really cute Christmas one that I wanted to use, but where are they? So okay, I give up. I'm going to, oh, is this it? I'm just kidding, you guys. So here's one, and you can, I'm gonna have to corner around it, because with the project cards, you're going to definitely want to do that. And all you're gonna do with this is basically put them over, and because it's a 3, you know, these are 3x4s and this is a 3x5, so they go so perfect on this. All right, you can just add the glue right here, and you don't even have to fill it in. I mean, you really just have to go like this. And I did edge it a little bit, as you can see, and just pop that on there. And then go ahead and do it again right here. And push that down. So if that part bothers you, then don't do that. And I'll show you one more way to do this before I sign off. But let me just edge this just a little bit. So yeah, all of you who have that extra project cards just kind of waiting, you guys will have this to do. And if that bothers you, this next one is going to be kind of one that I like. So that's one way. Okay, this one feels a little more solid, and I'm going to show you what I did, especially if that bothers you, like you have it on your journal and you don't want it to show that, you don't want these to show in the back like that, you want it to kind of be even. I'm going to show you what I did. So I took a index card, okay, and put that in here and glue this on. I'm just kind of sealing the edge, you know what I mean? Okay, and you have that, and then you flip it, and basically what you would do is do it again on this side. Let me just fold it so it's even. Okay, I'm gonna fold it on this side. So it's gonna have the hidden clip, and you see it's both of these are more even now, but this is the thing, if you leave it like this, they kind of slide. So that's why I actually put a little piece of scrapbook over, because if you put something over this and glue it, it's not going to move. So I'm just going to grab something on here. Oh, I've got this already done. So what I'll do is cut this again at 2 inches right here. Or whatever, it doesn't have to be 2 inches. It's just anything smaller than what, you know, the index card is, basically. So I will do that. And I will take that one here, because remember, and it's a little bit more durable because now you have 2 index cards. It just feels more solid. I don't know how to explain it. And then that's when you can pop this over and do that. And it won't move anymore once you do that, because it kind of like glues everything down. I have another fun, easy way to do these clips. I can't wait to share. I'm gonna try and upload it tomorrow. So once you do that, then there's no more of that thing trying to move, and you have like a really solid clip again that you have done with your index cards, because we all probably have a million of them from our last craft. So here's to some more. But there's that one, and I didn't do that the same as the other one, but that is what I did. And just to make something pretty with it, hold on, I had taken this, and just another fun little quick index card project. I'm just gonna edge this. That was a little too much. And just take some of my little pet tape here. So if you're putting it in like a journal or something, and then, which one did I make? I made this one, right? Yeah, I did. And then you can put that like, you know, with your, so this is the journal. Just by the way, we did make this. That was this one here. The only thing I did is I added this pretty pink vellum inside, and I wanted to look different so I could show this, because I don't really have thick junk journals, but I just wanted to show you how it would look inside of your, you know, journals and stuff. So I just kind of put the tape on the edge there, and this was the one where it had the pocket. I just didn't close it. So if you're wondering, that's what I did there. All right, guys, so that is the no-show paper clips, and I just thought they were so much fun to do with the index cards. You can do this with regular paper. You could do it with cardstock, you know what I mean? You could just do this with so many different things. You could add your little embellishments. I just wanted to, you know, make this video really simple. So thanks you guys so much for watching. I'm glad you guys are enjoying all these fun projects, and I have more coming. All right, guys.